Yeah, hello guys. So it's Sunday today, and I came Mondays for the skating. So usually on my weekends, I used to come for the skating. After a long time, I think it is approximately 7 to 8 months. I stopped doing skating on summer because at that time I faced a lot of like dehydration issues, and it was like too hot this year. So that's why I stopped with skating. So previously I tried multiple stunts and like stairs, backward skating, forward skating, by single leg skating, many things. So I'm going to just remind these things. My friends is not came here. I dropped a message also in the group, but no one respond on that. So I'm waiting here for them, and if anyone will come and join the skating, then it's okay. Otherwise, I'm only going to do skating. So after a long time, I'm trying this skate. So I don't know how I can balance this. How much I am going to like control the skate. But yeah, so as usual, I was doing the skating. So I think like I can do better in like 10 to 15 minutes because I already did the same thing. So I don't think so. Like it will be difficult for me to control on that. So just this is a Mandi house where we wish to come to skate there because here is a large place you can see at the background, and here is also this is the place, and just beside of the Mandi house there is a like India Gate. So usually we also used to go India Gate for the skating there because that have the large place and the long straight road. I think almost 1 to 2 kilometer. So at that point we do speed skating for that at that place because that have the large place, and there like there is no much traffic and no more people. So that's why is it easy to do skate there, right? So let's see if any people will come there. Then I'm going to introduce my team members. I have not revealed these things, or I think you also saw in my videos, like short videos. There are a lot of people we get gather together and go for the skating on the long distance and this thing, right? So sometimes we go for the like India Gate, Mandi House, Rajiv Chowk. Yeah, these all places we explored through the skating. No one is here for the recording, but yeah, I will try to do recording by myself by keeping the phone at a place. I waited here for like 10 to 20 minutes, but no one came. I also have a discussion with one of my friend. Usually I used to like do skating with him, but he said like he's not also coming to. So this is the place, and this is my skate, and I'm going to wear this. So yeah guys, so it's ready, and now I'm going to try this. So let's go and see. This is too difficult, but yeah, it's fine. I can control this. But no, not much difficult.